Hello dear friend, welcome to the Food Daily channel. Ready to make a delicious sandwich together? Let's get started. First, cut 2 medium onions in half. Next, finely chop the onions. Add the chopped onions to a pan. Sauté the onions over medium heat until they turn golden. Add a tsp of salt, paprika, and cinnamon each. Also add a tsp each of garlic powder and thyme. Stir well until the spices are well mixed with the onions. Add 250 grams of ground meat to the onion mixture. To ensure even cooking, mix the meat with a cup of water. Add 2 tablespoons of tomato paste to the mixture. Also add the sliced mushrooms to the meat mixture. Mix all the ingredients well together. Prepare 2 pieces of lavash bread. Spread the meat mixture on the lavash, then add mozzarella. Fold lavash edges and roll up the sandwich. Place the sandwiches on a preheated grill pan. Press down on the sandwich with a cooking weight. Flip the sandwich to grill the other side. Grill each side for 2 to 3 minutes. Did you have fun cooking with us? Don't forget to subscribe. Like this video. Your support and likes are very important to me. We're eager to hear your thoughts on this video. Have any questions? Drop us a comment below. I hope you enjoyed our cooking video. Our sandwich is ready. Enjoy your meal. Thank you from the bottom of our hearts for watching. If you love this recipe, check out our fan favorite video right here. Share your favorite dish in the comments and get ready for our next mouth-watering recipe. Can't wait to share our next culinary creation with you. It's a surprise you won't want to miss. See you in the next video.